morning, buddy. Are you? Oh, jeez. Okay, can't give you too much attention.
Yeah.
Mike Wazowski? Okay. Did you have a good sleep? Did you like sleeping with Mama and Dad in the big bed?
Okay.
You gotta clean those teeth. Lick your teeth. Go. Yeah. Looks like you got in a fight. One thing I will say, we're watching Nickelodeon because there's no Disney Channel in Walt Disney World. Huh? Hi.
Hi.
Ah, tickles, tickles. Ah, infinity and beyond. Oh my gosh, you're a space ranger. Oh.
A boo-boo.
Where?
A boo-boo.
Where's my boo-boo?
No. Yeah.
Do you have to call out every blemish that I have?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, I see. It's right there. I know. Thanks, buddy. Noah, we're back in Hollywood Studios. Do you want to go to Toy Story Land and see Buzz? Are you being shy?
Wow.
Oh, no.
Oh, he won. Bye.
She waved to you, bud.
We're going to join us right here on this. Over your arm. Party people, make some noise. For Roadster Racer, the G-Bell. Mickey says, buckle up. Dance on the wheel. Ready? Pose number 1. Pose number 2. Pose number 3. And Mickey Mouse is joining the party.
About to get her picture taken with Woody. So we finally got to stop at Woody's Lunchbox. Went with the kids' turkey sandwich, added cheese and a pickle. Melissa went with the grilled cheese. We got tots, we got cuties, got everything. We got a happy baby. Noe, happy birthday. So I absolutely mangled the sandwich, but I will tell you, this is so refreshing. I was gonna go with the brisket melt. It's probably like 88 degrees out. Not terribly humid, but that just didn't sound right. Eating a hot brisket melt in this kind of weather. So I want something a little more refreshing. Added the cheese, added the pickles. How's your grilled cheese?
Really good.
Really good. I also forgot to mention, got a little surprise treat here. Banana, peanut butter, crunch, Pop-Tart, pastry, tart, whatever you want to call it, is absolutely incredible. You think this will last by the end of the night?
No.
Noah, do you see Buzz's spaceship? Look, Buzz is controlling the tower up top.
Wow.
Now push it on this side. Put both hands on this side and push. Oh, you got it.
Woo. Holy moly.
Wrapped up a quick day in Hollywood Studios. High five. Did you have fun? Whoa. Did you just saw a dinosaur? The ice cream dinosaur? And then we went on the swirling saucers. Did you like that?
No, I'm not.
Yes, infinity and beyond. We're gonna go see your cousin Riley now for her birthday too. It's your birthday and her birthday.
But
Yeah, birthday, you're 2. She's 4. You're cute. Let's go on the boat. Mama said we're not allowed to take the escalator, and look at us, to infinity and beyond. We've now made our way over to Gideon's at Disney Springs for an epic chocolate chip cookie. Look at all these cookies. Whoa. Oh, you got the cookie. All right, so we were just in Gideon's. Noah wouldn't let me take a video with him in it, as you saw, but check this cookie out. Holy moly.
Bite.
Noah gets the first bite. What do you think? Is it good? Oh, he wants to take the whole thing?
It's okay. Dada?
Let's go!
What'd you get, babe?
Let's go!
Noah, no throwing.
With the citrus. Be very careful with the cast iron, y'all. It is extremely hot. I'm sure you can only imagine why. And enjoy it.
Ready? Pull up to me a bit. All right.
Oh, he's gonna get the Santa hat.
Oh, it's heavy. That's the weighted one.
Porky.
I think you hugged every second.
He's singing. All right, we are in room 6029 in the Dolphin. Fireworks are going off. It's absolutely gorgeous. Come check this out. There's the Epcot ball. That's the party. That's the fireworks. And I think it's lightning out too, which is kind of cool. And it's raining. Oh my God. Babe, I just got it.